So myself, Divya. So I have totally 12 years of experience in this project management field. So I was joined as an coordinator, like project coordinator. Then I became a project analyst. Now I am a senior project manager in FIS. So in FIS, I'm working for past 4 years in the same organization. So I wanted to upskill my project management skills in a uh, global form platform so that I can strengthen my leadership skills and also more into agile, wanted to learn more into agile phase. So I opted for this PMI certification. So my journey has started. There was no search research about the institute. So myself and other two of my colleagues have started to do this PMP certification, and the first thing came into our mind was InfoCareer because my seniors also did, like many seniors also did PMP, their PMP certification in InfoCareer. So there is no other choice for us. And we enrolled for PMP certification in December. So I opted for in-person training because I should not deviate from the training period. So I opted for in-person training. And I wanted to sincerely thank my trainer, Karthikeyan sir, Victor sir, and the most fabulous GLS sir. So the each section it was very connected, and the training materials were enough for us to prepare for PMP examination. So even I have referred two of my friends for to Info Career to get it certified before June. So yeah, this is how it started, and the in-person training was very effective because we had a room where the unknown faces became known once, and we started a group, and the mentorship from JLS sir and Guna Leela, everything was very quick. There was no delay at all. I wondered like how JLS sir is maintaining his time so much that he will not delay his response more than half an hour or more than 2 hours. That is his maximum waiting time for his response. So it was great learning from more than PMP. I learned how to be more precise in time management from GLS. So my sincere thanks to him. I would like to rate like 10 out of 10 for InfoCare because the training materials that you're providing, the slides for each and every domain is very helpful. And for each mock, if you concentrate and dedicate your time towards how you mold your training structure, is a fantastic. Like there is no second other thoughts to deviate from your training materials. So each domain, the mocks and the overall mocks. So I have took gold and titanium, and also have taken platinum pack. And also I have extended my the course. Like it got expired in 6 months, so I got it extended for few reasons. So there is no okay, I will check and let you know. There is no such words from JLS. He just the next second itself he Leela did it. So yeah, it was very good. So if for the PMP aspirants who are preparing for their exams, if you just concentrate on the training materials provided by InfoCareer, the ICLeaf portal is your god. So if you just believe and if you dedicate your time truly 100% towards ICLeaf portal, then yeah, you will secure a good score in all your three domains. Yeah, so for each mock, the main thing for everyone to follow is to review your all the questions once again after your exam. So that is a major part. Many even I missed it initially. Later I realized. So go through all your questions. There will be a justifications provided for all the wrong answer. So go through it, and if you have any doubts, just go to the PPT, revisit the knowledge areas again, and come back and take the exam. So for each wrong answer, you will get a justification that is very helpful. And also the PPT is also structured in a way that it will be precise and crisp for that particular knowledge area. So yeah, that's how it helps. So that is a good.
So,
I would recommend to reduce the 4 hours time window for the gold and platinum and titanium pack, because when I did my mock in the gold and titanium pack, I finished it very early. I am not sure whether it is because of the surroundings or how the way the environment I'm taking the exam. But in the real exam, it was quite, I don't know, the time was running so quick in the real exam than this. So to manage the time, if you could reduce the like shorten the duration, like instead of 4 hours, you just shorten the time so that people can work quickly and do the time management correctly. Yes, though I took 2 10 minutes break, I completed my mocks like 40 minutes earlier than the window. So yeah, I'm not sure whether it was because of my understanding of questions or my reading way of questions or the environment or I'm not sure. But in the real exam, the time was running so quick, and I was so curious to check the time for each and every question. So yeah, so if you just shorten like at least 10 to 15 minutes the actual duration of gold and titanium pack, then people can make use and more curious about this time management. This is the way that exam center will also be there. So first, right, so this is our comfort zone and that is our new zone where we have to sit for 4 hours ideally into looking at the system. So if you just shorten this for 10 to 15 minutes, then probably it would help others. Very relaxed way. And we have that tension and we have that frustration or something. So obviously we'll take time to consume that or come into that environment, right? So it will take some time. At least first 60, obviously for many of us, it will take some addition time to accept into that environment. So yeah, that's by JLS sir. He asked me to think like you're taking your PMP exam and take those gold packs and titanium packs. The way how you're doing here, it will reflect there. So I just followed him. Yeah. So as I said earlier, the training materials are very good and it is perfectly precise the way that we can complete this PMP certification in 3 months. So before itself, the people are there to complete it. But yeah, it is sufficient for us to do it. And also, the IC portal is very helpful. Whenever we have a doubt, it is friendly also. Like whenever we have a doubt, we can go through the PPTs, we can go and review our any mock test or anything. So yeah, it is a good way uh, for learning. Yeah, actually, the IC Leaf questions are quite tough than this real PMP exam, but the scenarios are quite similar. So there is no thing like I have to look or I have to think so much of time. There is nothing like that. So the scenarios are exactly how it is there for real PMP exam. So yeah, it is very related, but you should not think that the same question, same options will come to the exam. It is not the way. So if you just go and understand the scenario and answer the question, that's it. So that is the test that we are going to take. So
okay.
just practice the scenarios in the mock. The same scenarios will come in different verbiage. That's it. Yeah, first, I would like to say for all PMP aspirants to have a study plan as advised by sir. So the mentorship from GLS sir is awesome. So as I said earlier, there is no waiting time for his response. Even if you complete the titanium pack, he will review and he will provide the result based where we are lagging and where we have to improve. So just concentrate on how sir is saying and just correct the areas that he's telling us to do it. And yeah, that's it. That is the highest way that we can correct ourselves. Okay, so while preparing for PMP itself, so if you are studying the questions, you are undergoing the scenarios, right? So you can relate the work or you can put the studies in your actual work. So how you will handle if the stakeholder is not engaging with them. So if you study the PMP has the scenarios, and you could possibly apply it in your real life. So yeah, I started doing it slowly. So it now became rather stepping into action. I just took a step back and started to analyze the situation and then reacting it. So yeah, it became a practice for me. While preparing for this, it became a practice for me in the work also. The first thing I have to say is I have to say a big thanks to my family, entire family, my husband, my kid, my in-laws, my parents, my brothers, and my friends. So because for quite some time I was not spending quality time with them, and the stress was really was very bad, and it started like I started putting all those stress into the family, so they tolerated many things from me and they supported. So yeah, when I saw the result that I cleared, like I passed, I cried literally for 5 minutes in the PMI institute itself. I was not able to I was not able to think that, oh, yes, I cleared it. I didn't enjoy it. I literally cried there by sitting in the chair for 5 minutes. So I was that damn happy by seeing the results. So yeah, obviously the hard work that I put paid off, but still it was very touching and heartbreaking moment for me. First, on scale of 1 to 10, I would recommend 10 out of 10 because the training materials and mentorship that InfoCareer have, I have not heard from any other colleague saying this. And also, my seniors who came for training in InfoCareer, after a break, they again came to InfoCareer for their mocks, for their training materials. So, and the mentorship, like even I extended my this ICL's portal login credentials. So they did it without any hesitation, or it is not just for money's sake. They need everyone to be recognized globally in this platform. So the way of learning they are providing is not provided by any other institute or center. So that's why, yeah, even Google will say for PMI or PMP certification, go directly to it. Okay, there is no other second choice. Yeah, you're doing fabulous things. So just keep doing the same. And also, I wanted to suggest, like, when I was coming for in-person training, the food was really good. So we, like, our colleagues started to eat like tummy full of food, and the next afternoon section we started to sleep. So we told Sheila sir, like, to reduce the quantity of food because it was unlimited food at the time. So I think even now, right? Yeah, like once I completed my PMP in-person training in Jan, after that itself, I started attending the classes, online classes. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks, sir. Convey
Right.
my wishes to all your entire InfoCareer mentors team.